Okay, we're looking at job 22023. This is the 207th Avenue, Hollistav residence in Sammamish. We got two quotes. One is to redo, like remove and replace the asphalt at the cul-de-sac. Second one is to do the private road from the mailboxes down to the cul-de-sac, and that's 16 by 400 feet. The 400 square foot cul-de-sac, I just measured it out. It's more like a 36 by 41, and that's more than 400 square feet. So I don't know if he was thinking it'd be just like a 20 by 20 down here, but that's not accurate. It's a 36 by 41. So let's give a price to remove and replace 36 feet by 41 at the cul-de-sac, and then do a separate price for the private road, which is 16 feet by 400. Here's the cul-de-sac at the bottom of the hill. So I've come all the way down at the bottom, and this is the cul-de-sac area. You've got a trench drain here at this house. You've got the asphalt. You got some sinking asphalt here. All this water, as it comes down the hill, it's kind of crowned on the road, so some of it travels this way. But as you get into this area here, okay, as you get down towards the bottom, majority of this water starts to flow this way, and that's why they have a trench drain. So 36 by 41 down here at the cul-de-sac, and then right about there, there's like a white line, like a boundary line to the end of the cul-de-sac, and from here all the way up is 400 feet by 16, alligator cracking all the way. I'm gonna hop in my car because it's totally pouring down rain. Okay, so going up the hill. Like I said before, there's alligator cracking. There's a little bit of crowning in the road. So as it is right here, a lot of it slopes to the left, but you've got, you know, a ditch on both sides, so that way water will flow on both sides. So right now we're going through this 400 foot mark, the 400 foot by 16. There's some major dips in here, so we're gonna have to add probably a couple yards of rock, and then we stop right up here at the mailbox, the first mailbox you see, and that's the stopping point. All right, so alligator cracking all the way through. Probably a couple yards of rock to include. I would say add 4 yards of rock for the area by the mailboxes, because there was a lot of sunken areas that we'll probably have to recompact before we put new asphalt down. We're looking at 2.5 inch depth on the asphalt, and that's it. This is out here in Sammamish, and this neighborhood, I believe, if we come up here to the top, it's called, is it Cottagewood? Let me see here. Countrywood. All right, Countrywood is the name, and that's it. Any other questions, let me know. We can use this private road for staging at the bottom of the hill, because at the bottom of the hill is the guy who requested it for this HOA here. He must be the board president, I believe. Okay, any other questions, let me know.